Alright, so I've seen quite a few videos about this, but they never really show how to get like proper full screen and all that. So that's what this video is basically here about. Um, so yeah, starting off, you'll want to get Android Studio and AHK installed. I uploaded this so you can get like a good layout of what it'll look like. This is for Android Studio and for AHK. Go ahead, skip all this crap, download, and latest installer, download. Need you to just run these and install it. I already have that installed. Same with the Android Studio. Once you have it installed, you'll see this screen. After the installation, you'll get a little message to send them data and stuff. Just click on deny. There's no point in it. But yeah, once you get to the screen, more actions, virtual device manager, the plus symbol up here. You'll click on the TV here. You can click on whatever resolution. I'm just gonna click 4K because why not? And then I'd recommend Android right here. You can go Google, it really doesn't matter. It's just this one, if you use it, you gotta sign in like right off the first boot. For this one, don't have to sign in at all. And you just click on finish, and it'll be there. And this is usually the problem. Like, you can't really change the size all that much. I mean, like, sure, you can resize it, but you can't get full screen. So that's why I created this script. This is the HK script. Okay. But yeah, basically you run that, it'll auto fill it out. Technically it's not full screen, but it's like essentially the same as borderless full screen. This is made for 2K resolution monitors. If you have any other resolution, you'll have to switch it up a bit. I'll show you how to do that in a second. All right. Yeah, the keybinds for this will be arrow keys, enter, control H for home, control backspace for back. Yeah. I have this all binded out to my Flipper Zero, so I'll just be using that. First apps I'd recommend getting is SmartTube and OnStream, just W apps. You can get TikTok. It's kind of ass though, so I don't really recommend it. But yeah, there ain't really much more about it. Yeah, so customize this. You just mess around with the resolution here. It's not going to be exactly your display resolution. It's gonna be minimum that, but you'll have to switch it up a little bit since the design of the application is so weird. You'll also notice that you're gonna have a gap right about in the top corner. This is to eliminate that. You'll likely have to change that as well if you're on a different resolution in 2K. Yeah. You can just create a shortcut and just change the icon. I just did it to this because, I mean, it's what it is. Yeah. This will all be in the description, so yeah. That'll be it for the video. If you'd like future explaining our demonstrations to like how to do play-night emulator setups so you can have like a nice little layout, or if you'd like play-night to start up like fucking Xbox One S, then you can have it start up like that. Make it all cool looking. All fully navigatable with controllers. And through Steam, you can bind most of these games to controller support if they're Steam games, and emulators tend to have the setting already. Yeah, that'll be it. Peace.